So this one is called Not All is Complex. I have to come up with titles for these videos, and it's not always easy. So you see this right here, that b? That's just a b. Now, if you want to write it over 1, you can, but it's just a b. So I'll go ahead and write it over 1 because it might be easier for you to see what's going on. So we're going to do this like we did the other problems. We're going to write it as division. So b over 1 minus 3b over b plus 5 divided by, and the other one is 2 over b plus 5 plus 1 over b minus 5. Okay, so now we want to think about the first set of parentheses in the subtraction. So we're going to need an LCD here. The LCD is going to be b plus 5. So I'll have to multiply by b plus 5 right in there to get those denominators the same. So when I do that, when I multiply things out, I get b squared plus 5b, so I'm distributing here, over b plus 5, minus 3b over b plus 5. So that's in the first set of parentheses. In the second set of parentheses, what will the LCD be? Well, it's going to be b plus 5 times b minus 5. So here I'll have to multiply by b minus 5, b minus 5, and then here I'm going to have to multiply by b plus 5. Okay, so what do we get? We have divided by, now I'm going to go ahead and multiply those numerators out, so I'm distributing here. That's a b, by the way. Okay, so 2b minus 10 over b plus 5b minus 5 plus, and then this is just a 1, but I'm distributing it, b plus 5 over b minus 5 times b plus 5. So that gets the denominators common. It's getting bigger. Okay, so now we can do the subtraction in the first set of parentheses. B squared plus 5b minus 3b. I'll simplify that later. Over b plus 5 divided by, and then I'm going to have, oh, I don't want that. You could put that. 2b minus 10 plus b plus 5 over b plus 5 times b minus 5. Okay, so I'm going to simplify the numerators. B squared plus 2b over b plus 5 divided by, let's see, I'll have 3b minus 5 over b plus 5 times b minus 5. I think I got everything okay there. And then now I can do the division. The keep times, so change, keep change, flip, okay, so if there's something to cancel, we'll cancel. Now, I could put parentheses around that b plus 5. That cancels with that. And that's all that's going to cancel. So we're going to have b squared plus 2b. Now, I didn't factor that out. Let me erase that. I can factor the b squared plus 2b. I can factor out a b. It has a greatest common factor. It's not going to help, but I can still write it that way. And then I have the b minus 5 from the other rational expression all over 3b minus 5. which you can put parentheses around the 3b minus 5 if you want to. It might make it a little clearer what you have. So that one's kind of a big answer, but that's the answer.